Model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer Relay 2.0 BlueHDi 335L2H2 130. Excellent runner, bargain 79k miles. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 79,692. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. The engine is fantastic, but there is a crunch when selecting fifth gear. Only all of the other gears and clutch are perfect, doesn't affect the performance or drive. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, sat-nav, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,625 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp